Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to lesson number 16 of Learn How to Read the Quran. So let's continue then. So this is the letter Ja, Ja, and then you got A, and then you got Hamza. So let's put these together then. So you've got a Fatha on there, on the Ja and the A, or the Jim and the Hamza. And you write it like this in English. Ja, Ja, apostrophe there, Ja, Ja. Now today's lesson we're going to be talking about this shape here. This is known as a mad, not mad, mad. So this basically stretches the sound that comes before it, it stretches it. Okay, so because comes before it, Ja, you're going to stretch it now. Say it with me. Ja, Ja. Okay, so next let's start another example. So here we're writing another word, and again these sound stretchings, there's a few rules regarding them, but you'll learn them later on, how long you prolong them for. So let's try this example then. So inna anzalna, inna anzalna. Okay, so in English, how do you write this then? Let me just pull this up. So in English, we say it like this. I mean, you can have a go as well. Have a go at writing it as well. Inna anzalna. So here we have a mud. The mud occurs over here. Okay, that's where the mud occurs. So the mud is going to be added over here. So whatever letters came before the mud, we're going to extend those, prolong those. So sound. Inna anzalna. Inna anzalna. So have a go with me. Inna anzalna. Okay, next. Another example here. So this time it's a different sound that we're going to try before the mud. Okay, so this is G-a, G-a. Yeah, the G goes the ya. So that's how it's written down. So G-a, G-a. Now we're going to add the mud over here. Mud is going to be added here. Now you don't have to worry where the mud appears. That's something that you learn later on in Tajweed. So here we're going to extend the E sound. G-a, G-a. Okay, say it with me. G-a. Okay, another example then. Another sound here which we're going to prolong. Okay, so say this. Su-a, Su-a, Su-a. Okay, and again, we're going to add the mud into this. So now when we add the mud, notice what happens. That we're going to extend the letters that come before it. So the sound was oo, so su-a, su-a. Say it with me. Su-a. Okay, let's look in the Quran now. So here we have some examples over here. So here you have the word with the mud there. Yada. Yada. See that mud? That's a squiggly line that you have there is not mud. Ja'a. Ja'a. Wala antum. Wala. There's one. Ma. Wala. Okay, so I just want to point out to you guys where these occur in the Quran, how you identify them. Over there is one there. Shita. So these are the signs that you need to look out for. So let's have a go in the Quran. So here, this is the shortest surah of the Quran. So let me write out each letters from the words. Okay, so you can have a go at trying to write them yourself as well. Put them all together. So try and pronounce it. Pause it at the now and have a go. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. So okay. So here's where the mud appears. Okay, the mud appears over here. So now have a go. Inna, stretch it. Inna أعطيناك الكوثر. Say again. إنا أعطيناك الكوثر. Very good. Okay, let's continue the verse then. So that's how you need to keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. Ideally, if you can read it to someone, that would be the best thing. Okay, so again, try and pronounce these as we go through. Yeah, so فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. So have a go with me. فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. Say it loud. فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. Okay, and again, you can write these down as well. A good way to learn them. So have a go. Try to pronounce them yourself first of all, and then we'll read it all together. Okay, so إِنَّ شَانِئَكَ هُوَ الْأَبْتَرُ. إِنَّ شَانِئَكَ هُوَ الْأَبْتَرُ. Okay, excellent. Okay, so let's have a go at reading all of it then. So إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرَ. Say again. إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرَ فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. إِنَّ شَانِئَكَ هُوَ الْأَبْتَرُ. إِنَّ شَانِئَكَ هُوَ الْأَبْتَرُ. Excellent, very good. So keep practicing that, and inshallah, hopefully, you should be able to understand the rules and application. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.